How to sign into your Home Depot credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box where you type in Home Depot credit card login and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Over here, you're gonna find different website links. Navigate to this one website option, Home Depot credit card login or apply. Open it. You will land to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this, provide your credentials. So go ahead and type in the user ID. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for the option of remember my user ID. Then type in your password. If you have forgotten any of your login details, user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign On and just for that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register your card and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Home Depot credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.